I'm going to show you guys how this software is going to make you $1,000 profit within your first 7 days. This software is the easiest way to automate the sourcing process as a beginner because it's going to simply spit out leads for you that you can buy and make profit with today. 10 days ago, this software launched a new update that's going to change the game. And this video is going to break down the 4 new features that are going to make you thousands of dollars within the next 30 days. With that being said, let's break down this software and how these new features work so you can capitalize them to find online arbitrage profits today. And as always, if you got value, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Let's get into it. So this software is going to change the game for you guys as beginners starting out and trying to automate the sourcing process by finding deals on demand and also finding new suppliers to purchase products from. This is a really great tool to start with. And I'm going to break down Nepeto 2.0, which just launched 10 days ago. They just launched all of these new features. And I got to say, guys, freaking game changing. There's so much new value added to this software, and I'm really excited to present it to you guys. I'm going to break down 4 of the new features, and you're definitely going to want to stay for that 4th one because the 4th one is amazing. I absolutely love that one. It's my favorite. So definitely going to want to wait for that one. And let's go start with the first new feature that has been implemented into the software, and it's a variations button. So if we go to one of these variations right here, so if you click this button, it's going to pull up every single size and if it's found profitable in Nepeto. So you can see check here if Nepeto. And then if you click that deal, it's going to open to a new tab where you can find that product in the supplier that it's located in. It will show you everything you need to know, the source price, the Amazon price, the fees, and how many sellers are on it. $17 profit, 35% ROI. If you want to check it in Keepa, you can as well. If you're gated, obviously you could check. And if it's a mismatch, you could also check that too. But yeah, so that is the first feature. Absolutely amazing to find other sizes and other colors that you might have otherwise missed. So you can check this for sizes. And that's just a really cool new feature that Nepeto has implemented. And I'm really excited about this one. And the second new feature is what is going to show you a product that is found profitable by another supplier. So if we go to this one right here, and if you click this magnifying glass where it says check in other suppliers, you can click this and click the Nepeto button in order to find if it is profitable on Nepeto from another supplier. So this is really good to compare prices and not just take the first deal you see. But it looks like Chewy and PetSmart both have this product for $10.56, and it's still 41% ROI after fees, $4 in profit. So essentially, you can find out and see if another supplier has it cheaper. That is a really good second feature that they've added. And the third new feature, which I told them I thought this would be a game-changing way to add some extra layers and margin on these types of products. And what you can do is essentially click a button that says save dollars, and this will pull up coupons. So you can find coupons for each of these suppliers, also discounted gift cards. So it'll pull you straight to Gift Card Wiki, where you can find the best discounted gift card for Chewy. Let's say you're buying from Chewy. You can also earn cash back from Flutz, and it will also find you better pricing. This is like an integration that they've used with Nepeto. So that's a really cool. They've kind of integrated that where you get cash back on top of your purchase as well. And it will also alert you with deals and stuff like that. And then there's also arbitrage card here, which is more gift cards that you can find for profitable to increase your margin. There's also Rakuten, which you can find deals on Rakuten. You can find coupons on Be Frugal as well. So that's just kind of another way to use cashback, gift cards, and then find a desired discount. You can also actually use a filter that allows you to add a coupon discount. So for example, let's say you find a 20% off coupon at Nike that works. So what you can do is hit the more section and you can hit coupon. And let's say you add that 20% as a filter, and then you can also filter it by supplier. So let's say we're only looking for 20% off at Nike because that's the only site where we have that code for. So then you automatically will find products that will take 20% off that price because you have that coupon. This is a unique way to kind of use the software differently than other people in order to like essentially give you a moat, because not a lot of people know this or are using it this way. So that's a really cool way where you can essentially filter out and add a coupon. You can filter it by suppliers as well, obviously. And I've talked about this in my first video, but there are filters based on price, ROI, sales rank. So you can essentially filter it down to whichever way you want. You can focus on a category that you want as well.
So it really gets granular. And then one of my favorite features, which I did talk about in the other video, is that you can hide the lead from other people. So this is $2 a week. So let's say you found a really good lead, you want nobody to find it, you can hide it. So that's another awesome feature. Those are some of the old features that I'm explaining there though. The coupon one is just a super, super great thing that they added, and I absolutely love that one. The final one I'm going to show you guys is a game changer. So this is my favorite one. It is the Nepeto Storefront Scanner. So you can literally add anyone's seller ID, and if you want to know how to do, you can simply hit this button at the top called Show Data, and this will actually pull up all the advanced data from Nepeto here, and you can find every single seller. There's also some nice things on the side here that you can use as far as like weight, dimension, if there's IP issues, and also buy box winner percentage. You can load data for stock history, but let's say we wanted to take that seller ID right here. You can copy and paste that seller ID into the scan feature. I've already preloaded one here. And if you hit that scan button here, it's going to start to scan this storefront, and it's going to tell you the brands that they carry. It's going to tell you the categories they sell in. And the scan might take a few minutes, so I'm going to come back in a few seconds. So you'll see if all of the deals that they have in their storefront are on Nepeto. So you can see it's listed by ASIN, and you can actually export all of the products into a file as well, a CSV that you can download, turn that into kind of an Excel file as well. But if you wanted to go through these deals one by one, you could, or you could just save them with that Excel file, which I think is really neat. And then you can click the link to find that the deal is on Nepeto. So it will tell you where it's located, the supplier, the profitability. Sometimes it might not pull up. Let's double check this one here. So this one was actually found at a distributor. So this one that I particularly used was a wholesale supplier, which is a little bit different. You're going to want to try to do ones that have less than 200 reviews, but I did want to show you how it would look at a grand scale with the larger seller. There will be tons of deals, but yeah, so this one is coming from a supplier. You can see the profitability, $2 profit. And yeah, and you can click on every single one to much. So this ASIN was found profitable at hardware and more, and you can see the ASINs right there, price, profitability. So it's really, really neat that you can use it to stalk other sellers, and then you'll have tons of ASINs. This one has pages of ASINs. So you might just hit jackpot like this and get a ton of ASINs to be able to find profitable inside of Nepeto. So those are the 4 new features that Nepeto has added, and I think it's an absolute game changer. And they are running a 20% off sale, but I can actually get you a better discount. So if you're going to want to use the coupon code in my description to get 50% off your subscription, absolutely amazing deal. And you also get a 7-day free trial. You can also schedule a call, an Amazon expert who will help you understand all of the features of Nepeto in more detail. So hope you guys got some value from this video and implement Nepeto into your sourcing strategy, because I'm telling you, going to change the game. It's going to add thousands of dollars in profit to your business, especially if you are an online arbitrage beginner. I hope you guys got some value from this video. As always, if you did, please drop a like, comment, subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you on the next one.